In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit points shapes in Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to fine-tune a shape beyond the standard resize handles, editing points is a really useful tool. It lets you manually reshape a shape by adjusting its individual anchor points, which gives you much more control over the final design. This can be helpful when you want to customize arrows, banners, callouts, or any shape that needs a more polished or unique look. To begin, open your PowerPoint slide and make sure the shape you want to modify is already inserted and selected. Once you're ready, right-click directly on the shape. This will open the context menu with several formatting and editing options related to that object. From that menu, click Edit Points. As soon as you do that, you'll notice small black points appear around the outline of the shape. These points define the structure of the shape, and they're what you'll use to reshape it. This is the key feature that allows you to move beyond the default preset appearance and make the shape more custom. Now start adjusting the points. Click and drag any point to change that part of the shape. As you move a point, the edges connected to it will shift as well, so you can gradually reshape the object exactly how you want. Take your time here, because even small movements can make a big difference in the overall appearance. If the shape includes curved sections, you may also notice handles that help control the curve more precisely. Those can be adjusted to smooth out or sharpen the shape's lines. As you work, it helps to zoom in a little if you need more accuracy, especially when you're making subtle edits. Try moving one point at a time so it's easier to understand how each adjustment affects the shape. If something doesn't look right, you can simply keep dragging the point until it looks better. The process is very visual, so the best approach is usually to make gradual changes and watch the result as you go. Once you're happy with the shape, just click anywhere outside of it to finish editing. At that point, your updated shape will stay in place with all the changes you made. That's all it takes to edit points on a shape in Microsoft PowerPoint. It's a simple feature, but it gives you a lot more creative control and can make your slides look much more customized and professional.